Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the external drive or network location used by file history is connected and powered. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Backup, and choose More options. This brings up file history controls. If you prefer the classic view, open Control Panel and search File History. Make sure file history is turned on and the target library and folders are included. These steps ensure you are accessing the correct backup set before attempting any restore. Next, click Restore Files from a current backup to open the timeline interface. This shows snapshots by date. Use the search box to find a file name quickly or navigate through the folder tree and page back to earlier dates. Once you find the item, select the version you need. You can preview files like documents or images. When ready, click Restore to place files back in their original location or use the drop-down Restore to pick a different folder. This preserves folder structure and timestamps. Complete the process by verifying restored files open correctly and have expected timestamps. This confirms a successful recovery. If the restore fails, first make sure you have right permission on the destination and sufficient disk space, then reconnect the backup drive and retry. If issues persist, check File History Event logs in Event Viewer for errors. Run chkdsk on the backup drive to fix disk problems, and consider restoring individual files instead of bulk restores to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.